Hi, I'm Mike Capizzola, and you're watching Smart Money, the show that gives you the inside edge on the bets that the movers and shakers on Wall Street are placing. This week, we are back in the biotech sector and looking at OncoCyte Corporation, a firm that's trying to improve the testing for and detection of cancers to create better outcomes for patients. The business is developing a suite of cancer detection tests, the results of which can help determine what clinical options or treatments the patient may benefit from. The tests have applications in early-stage lung cancers, for example, and can help to spot mutations to determine which patients might benefit from chemotherapy. Some 40,000 patients are diagnosed annually with early-stage non-small cell lung cancer, and up to 50% of those may not survive despite surgical intervention. OncoCyte wants to get that number down through the use of its DetermaRx test, which is available for use by physicians. The company is also developing a novel multivariate gene expression test, DetermaIO, which looks for the specific genetic markers of cancers. It's hoped that the result of these tests can be used to predict which treatment will prove to be the most effective for the patient. For the moment, DetermaIO is in use as a research tool only. OncoCyte is based in California and is headed by a team of specialist investors and financiers who work alongside scientists and a team of expert medical advisors. The firm's business model is to focus on what it calls high-value, unanswered clinical questions. The company sees lung cancer as a $3 billion opportunity, for example, and its leadership team has more than 30 years' experience in the molecular diagnostics industry. They also have experience in building and selling drug development businesses to larger players in the pharmaceutical and testing markets. OncoCyte has a three-pronged strategy for its products. First, it targets pioneering new or underserved applications in oncology. Second, it delivers those tests at key market access points. And third, it creates portfolio diversification in high-growth markets. In essence, the group wants to deliver innovative testing and diagnostics in niche areas and to create a range of products across various fields within oncology. The company is targeting per-patient reimbursement of $2,000 per test result. It's a potentially lucrative opportunity and one that could also have positive social outcomes. OncoCyte has a market cap of $393 million. However, it's not currently profitable, though obviously the business hopes to change that in the future. As part of that process, OncoCyte recently announced that it wants to raise $25 million through the issue of new shares. In a vote of confidence, two of the company's institutional shareholders took up the issue, including long-term holder and insider Broadwood Partners LP, a New York-based hedge fund. Broadwood bought 1.46 million shares at $3.42 for just under $5 million. This took their total holding in OncoCyte to just under 16.2 million shares. The backing of Broadwood and other institutional shareholders is no guarantee of success, of course, but the stock continues to attract Wall Street's attention. No less than 7 brokers research the business, which is unusual for a small company, and traders appear to be buying into the story too. TrackStar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, shows us that 12 institutional investors have looked at this stock in recent weeks. OncoCyte's shares are up close to 150% in the last month and 265% over the last quarter. And volumes in the stock have been picking up across January too, which is often a positive sign. The stock currently trades above the $5 level, but has been as high as $7.95 in the past, so there could be further upside to come on any positive news flow about the business. That's all we have time for this week. To find out more about our TrackStar IQ data, sign up for our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/trackstar. Small and micro-cap stocks can be high-risk investments, so before you make any investment decisions, please ensure you do your own due diligence.